Today I'm going to be replacing my old skinny Essie brushes with the Glisten and Glow brushes. I saw this on Instagram and YouTube. So I ordered mine from Glisten and Glow. I think I ordered like 50 of them. They were like 12 cents a piece and then shipping, so definitely a good deal. But they came with they're kind of like got glue or polish or something sticking them together so they don't get messed up in shipping. So I just ran them through some acetone and cleaned that brush out. And I'm just going to show you on one, but I did my entire Essie collection. I do save these old skinny brushes. I pop them in a bag here towards the end and ran acetone around them and shook them up real good and saved them, because you never know if you're going to end up with a wonky brush from some other polishes. So, you know, I decided it'd be good to save them. I'm going to have to clean that cap. I made a mess. I ended up using my pliers to do it for doing the rest of them because I had quite a few to do. You just pop it out and then you pop the new one back in. If it doesn't slide in all the way, just put it down into the bottle and screw the cap on it and then unscrew it, and it should be good to go again. So if I could remember who I saw do this, I will leave a link for them down below. But I just wanted to share this with you. I think it's a really great deal. Very economical. You know, some of the brushes out there they're asking stupid prices. So there you have it, sports fans. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself. Talk to you soon.